Xiaomi is one of the world's largest smartphone manufacturer. It has a range of high quality yet affordable phones, and it is very often unbeaten on value for money. Xiaomi has got a sub-brand which focuses on mid-range and budget smartphones, which offers high-end specification at much lower price. In this video, we are going to talk about the POCO phones from Xiaomi. I am going to show you 5 amazing POCO phones that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which POCO phone did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying a new smartphone, you can ask me on our Instagram. Link is given in the description. Message me there, I will reply you. POCO X4 GT. On paper, the POCO X4 GT looks amazing. It ticks virtually every box for a mid-range phone, yet comes in at very bottom end in terms of price. It has a flagship level processor, 144Hz screen, big battery, fast charging and a good camera setup. And it also comes with a dual SIM 5G. You even get extras such as headphone jack, stereo speakers and 67-watt fast charging. That is amazing. The downsides are that the cameras overall are not the best. There is no water resistance rating and the screen is LCD rather than OLED. It could be a good option for anyone looking for an affordable gaming phone, but if you would trade some performance for an OLED screen and better cameras, there are other best options. Buy this amazing smartphone for its amazing performance for the price, very good IPS screen and fast charging with a charger included in the box. The disappointments here are, as I said before, there is no water resistance rating. Rivals have OLED screen but this phone is not. So secondary cameras. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. POCO M4 Pro. The POCO M4 Pro takes the things in a surprisingly different direction to the POCO M4 Pro 5G. Though you may lose 5G connectivity, you gain quite a bit more in return. But if you are looking for a 5G smartphone, you can go better with the POCO M4 Pro 5G. POCO M4 Pro enables the inclusion of the first AMOLED display in the series as well as the first 64MP main camera. It is debatable whether the POCO M4 Pro's unique design is any better than its brothers. But the fact that some effort has gone into making it different is worthy of praise. It is undeniably a little more compact and thus easier to use single-handed. Throw in more generous RAM and storage options and you have a well-equipped budget phone that just feels that tiny bit more premium than its closer brother. Buy this amazing POCO M4 Pro for its AMOLED display, improved 64MP camera, easy to manage design and solid battery life. If you are willing for 5G, go for the POCO M4 Pro 5G. The disappointments here is no 5G, and if you want 5G, you have to go for POCO M4 Pro 5G. Not exceptional in competitive field and pointless macro lens. POCO X4 GT, best gaming phone. The POCO X4 GT is POCO's effort to hide a gaming phone in a plain sight. Gamers will love the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, 12GB of RAM, 120W fast charging and a pop-up shoulder button, which are very helpful in indulging yourself in a powerful game. Not only it comes with a powerful and the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, also it comes with a huge 12GB of RAM, which is very much required for a high-end gaming performance. And don't worry about the battery, as the phone comes with a 120W fast charging support that charges the phone to 100% in just 30 minutes. Meanwhile, everyone else will love that it doesn't look like a gaming phone and still comes with a decent 64MP camera that can hold its own. The cameras are amazing but not as flagship. The phone has got only the flagship processor but not the flagship specification in terms of cameras and build quality. Buy this amazing phone for its very fast 120W fast charging support, Powerful Snapdragon 801 chipset, pop-up shoulder buttons helpful in gaming, and excellent overall performance. The disappointments here are middling battery life and no headphone jack provided. POCO X4 Pro, the best budget phone. POCO X4 Pro 5G is a huge upgrade over its predecessor in terms of features and design, with a premium look and feel despite the plastic body. The 120Hz AMOLED display is bright, vibrant and buttery smooth, with one of the smallest camera cutouts we have ever seen in a phone. While the refresh rate is not adaptive like the premium alternatives, the phone can still comfortably last more than a day with the average use, and when it does need a top up, there is a 67 watt fast wired charging that charges the phone really faster. And the happy news is that the charger is included in the box. The 108MP camera is real treat too, offering impressive details and color representation in well-lit environment. Although the lack of optical image stabilization means night photography could be improved. The accompanying 8MP ultra-wide is handy, but the same can't be said for the 2MP macro lens. The internals are mid-range with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 leading the show, but performance is very decent for the money. A tempting option for the cost-conscious. Buy this amazing smartphone for its affordable price, stunning design, flagship level 120Hz AMOLED display and capable 108MP camera. The disappointments here are it has got a plastic body and occasional lags. POCO F4, overall the best POCO phone that you can consider to buy. POCO F4 is not powerful as the POCO F4 GT, but it has got each and every essential specification and comes at a very affordable price. The smartphone is powered by the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and it also comes with the Adreno 650 which helps to increase performance while gaming. It comes with a triple rear camera comprising of 64MP primary camera and 8MP ultra wide and 2MP macro. It also comes with a 20MP front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. As far as dimensions are concerned, the phone measures 7.7mm in thickness and weighs around 195 grams. The smartphone comes with a beautiful and immersive 6.67-inch of display with a full HD Plus resolution and a pixel density of 395 with a refresh rate of 120Hz. The phone packs huge 4500 mAh of battery that comes with a 44-watt fast charging support. So these are all the amazing specifications, and its much lower price makes it one of the best POCO phone that you can buy. So these are the 5 best amazing POCO phones that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.